Welcome back, second graders. I hope you've made your selection. Now let's test it out and see if you were correct. The thermometer is going to check the temperatures. Every day we're tracking the high temperature and the low temperature of the day to see if that makes a difference. I put a dot right there because we measure in Fahrenheit. That dot right there is at 32 degrees because that's what temperature water freezes. So if you said the thermometer to check the temperature, good job. Next, I'm going to use my tape measure to measure going around the tree. A ruler will also measure how many inches, but it's kind of flat and stiff, so that's not going to work very well. The tape measure can go around the tree. And tell us that the tree is about 45 inches going around. The trees that we measured all were between about 45 inches and 50 inches. The bigger the tree, the more sap we will get. So if you said tape measure to measure around the tree, you got it. The measuring cup. This one is to measure how much sap we collect every day. Every day, some students come out and they dump into a bigger bucket, but today we're going to show using a measuring cup. Today's collection can be measured in lots of different ways. It's right about 2 cups. So we got 2 cups of sap. If you said measuring cup to measure the amount of sap, you were correct. I'm gonna put it back in the bucket for later because we wanna see how much sap we collect in the whole day. The last measurement is how high up from the ground to where to make the tap. I'm going to use the ruler for that. We could also use the tape measure, but I'm gonna use the ruler. I'm gonna put my finger here to show me where to put the ruler next. So that's 1 foot, 2 feet. We put the tap at about 3 feet from the ground, which is the same thing as 36 inches. Thank you, second graders.